everybody, I'm Madison here at LovelySkin.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley here at LovelySkin.
And today we are unboxing one of our newest lines to our site, Antonym Cosmetics. So all of this is organic and cruelty-free, and I'm so excited to see how well it works. So we're gonna start off with unboxing a foundation first. So I'm gonna do the liquid, and Ashley, which one are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the baked powder.
Okay, cool, I'm so excited to get started. This foundation actually has hyaluronic acid and shea butter in it, so it's really moisturizing for your skin.
And then with my shade, it's gonna be the medium beige. What's really cool too is it has like reflecting pigments that have been swirled in, so you can use it as a contour as well if you wanna kind of double up and save a little bit of money.
So let's see. Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
It's got a nice matte finish. I really like it.
Yeah, really good warm undertones.
So now we're gonna do an eyeshadow, and I've got this pretty little palette here called Crochet.
Mine has more of a jewel tone and it's called Noisette.
Okay, so how are yours working, Ashley? Because I'm noticing that these are super pigmented, which I love.
Oh yeah, I was not expecting this. It's absolutely wonderful. It's going on really well, and you can just tell, especially for like if you want to do like a day look, it's going to be great because it can be really light, and with the night look you don't have to worry about it.
And these brushes are doing an impeccable job at applying.
Oh yeah, no, they're great. They have good structure to them.
All right, let's see the end result. Oh, so pretty.
They're very pretty.
Let me see, close your eyes. Oh, that's really pretty.
Let's see what appears in the light too. It's really cute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. I have to say, I'm really impressed.
Yeah.
Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna do these highlighting blushes, right?
Perfect. This is my favorite part. Give a little bit of color.
Yeah.
Want it.
Everybody needs a little color.
Yeah.
Okay, so the shade that I'm gonna be using is Endless Summer.
And then mine's called Cheek Crush. But it's very like natural and like ethereal. Like you feel pretty with it without, it's kind of like an effortless look, you know?
Yeah.
You can tell already in the light.
You can.
Yeah, the pigments and the shimmer.
Oh, that's really
Very, very pretty.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah, it's
I like
gorgeous.
it. So overall, I think I like everything.
I do too. I'm a believer in this brand, and it's brand new to our site, so that's super exciting. And
And it's, I mean, the whole organic, cruelty-free, good for the environment is so big now, and it's so important. So I really like that we're bringing more of this to LovelySkin.
yeah. Thanks again for tuning in to another one of our fun unboxing videos. We're doing a lot of fun things here at LovelySkin, so happy that you were able to join us.
And we hope that you like these products as much as we do. It's super fun. And guys, if you have any video requests, let us know in the comments below. We're doing something new, and we're gonna try to take those requests into account. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us again next Wednesday.
Thanks again.
Bye.
Bye.